Namaste, good evening, and a warm welcome to all of you. I'm Meera, and I am the co-founder and director of an NGO, Where Are India's Children? We call ourselves WAIC. WAIC was founded by three of us, Smriti, Pratima, and me. I live in Hyderabad, as you can see. Smriti and Pratima live in Pune. So just to give you a brief background of why we started this NGO and the work we do, three of us met as adoption counselors, and we are also adoptive parents. Smriti and Pratima have two daughters through adoption. We have a son through adoption. And when we were counseling prospective parents, because that was our essentially a role we were doing, we were staggered and we were surprised by the wait times these parents had to go through to bring home their children. So, we were also, when we started doing some research, we saw that UNICEF pegged the number of orphan children in India to 3 crores. That was in 2016-2017. They released a report. And late 2018, the Ministry of Women and Child Development India released a report which said that there were 4 lakh children in shelters, out of which around 1 lakh children can be made legally adoptable and could potentially reach families. So we were staggered by these numbers, and because at any given point of time, the legal adoption pool, which is held by the Central Adoption Resource Authority, we call it CARA, at any given point of time, they barely had about 2,100 children in the legal adoption pool. Given that there was a waiting parent line of close to 27,000 parents. So the time taken to adopt a child today is close to 3 years, sometimes 3.5 years. So it was a long wait for not only the parents, but the children who were in shelters and could be made legally adoptable. So we started our research as to why is this wide chasm? Where are the children falling through the cracks in the system? So that is how our research started. And with the permission of Pune WCD, WCD stands for Women and Child Development, we could do a qualitative study of, in the Pune district, qualitative study of the child shelters, their processes and the gaps which were, why the children are not coming into the legal adoption pool. So when we did the study, it wasn't surprising that it confirmed that the ground implementation of the laws, which are governed by the Juvenile Justice Act of India, were not properly followed. So there's lack of consistent timeline follow-ups and process follow-ups on the ground by the local authorities. So it kind of gave us a validation that we are on the right track to resolve this problem. So we decided to start our work through an NGO and partnering with the local child development authorities and assist them in identifying children and bring them into the legal adoption pool. So we also realized through this work that just manual intervention is not going to solve this problem, because the child protection mechanism in India is so massive and distributed, right? So we thought technology was something we should use, because we've started using technology in every facet of our lives. Every aspect of our lives now is run through technology, but somewhere the child protection mechanism has been left behind in India. So we also developed a technology prototype, which was essentially to show the government that this can work. If early intervention, early identification of children, and we can recommend them for adoption eligibility, then there is hope for these children to quickly move into the legal adoption pool and families adopting them. So this was followed by, fortunately for us, actually Telangana WCD and Maharashtra WCD gave us permissions, albeit of 2 different kinds. Maharashtra WCD actually gave us a permission to deploy the technology prototype in 3 of their districts to evaluate how this tool will help them. if this tool will really help them and how they can use the tool to identify children, for adoption eligibility. So that's something we are doing right now. It's ongoing, and through this work in Maharashtra, we have actually identified close to 200 children who should be evaluated for adoption eligibility out of about 600 odd children we evaluated. So you see, there is a very vast percentage of children who are just staying in shelters for lack of processes being followed. And our groundwork in Telangana involves evaluation of every child in shelters and CCIs. CCIs are child care institutions, commonly known as shelters to everyone, to determine their next steps and training the relevant stakeholders. So these stakeholders could be from the Child Welfare Committee, the District Child Protection Unit, and the specialized adoption agencies who are responsible for the adoption process, and the child care institutions. So we are given the task of training these relevant stakeholders on the processes and the timelines to follow in bringing children into the legal adoption pool. So our persistent work in these two states, as I mentioned, in Maharashtra, we have identified close to 200 children who should be evaluated for adoption eligibility. In Telangana, we actually have put a lot of children in the legal adoption pool through sitting with the specialized adoption agencies and the child welfare committees. And in fact, a few of them have even gotten adopted and gone home. So we were very heartened that this is the right track, and this is how we can ensure that more and more children can come, eligible children that too, can come into the legal adoption pool, because Indian child protection mechanism cannot refuse children even if they have parents to be put in shelters. So that is why the data evaluation or the evaluation of these children is very important, that eligible children are put in the legal adoption pool. So we know that our work can be completed only through a mix of technology and training and adoption mindset training, especially changing the mindset of these relevant stakeholders, because sometimes what we have seen on the ground is not only on the ground, I think at society at large is open to adopting children anywhere from 0 to 2 years. Parents are very, very willing to adopt. But once they are above 6 years, there's a lot of hesitancy for parents to adopt children. So we do have to change that mindset, because we feel every child deserves a family and has the right to a family according to Hague Convention, UNRC, whatever it could be. So we are denying these children the right to a family by not evaluating them properly and having them stay in shelters forever. And once they turn 18, some of these children are left without support, without guidance. Any kind of family or even intervention from the government sometimes is missing. So as part of our work, we also conduct awareness campaigns. One of the campaigns we have been conducting for the past 2 years is called the Safe Surrender campaign. We traveled to Narayanpet district last year and this year to train the Anganwadi teachers and workers who go to door, asking about families, teaching them about nutrition, to spread awareness about safe surrender of a child, because they are our frontline workers, and the only way this message can spread throughout India is through these Anganwadi workers who know every family in a village they cater to. So we trained about 450 Anganwadi teachers and gave them safe surrender training, so that they know that a law exists, that a child can be safely surrendered in an specialized adoption agency or in front of a child welfare committee if the parent or a guardian are unable to or unwilling to raise the child, instead of abandoning them forever in shelters or by the roadside and where not. We hear news every day about children being abandoned. So given the work we are doing, we need funds to scale up our projects and continue to make greater impact. This fundraiser is an attempt to raise funds and awareness about our work, so that children reach families and do not languish in shelters with no future. We are targeting to raise a donation of minimum rupees 5 lakhs through this fundraiser event, and hopefully continue our work with technology, with groundwork, with training, and working with the relevant stakeholders at the local level, and hopefully give a future to these children and put them in the legal adoption pool. Furthermore, I would like to thank Guru Swapna for her continued support. They also did the Safe Surrender dance drama for us last year in January at a very short notice, and was well appreciated, and we have lot of views on our YouTube channel with this performance, and you're going to see a sample of that again today, not a sample, the entire dance drama today. And for agreeing to perform in this event again, it was a very short notice. She's going to perform today with 11 of her students, and she was also instrumental in the choreography, the music, the audio. All of these were selected by her and her students. So please wait for the dance drama which is going to come through here. I would also like to thank Guru Shobha Srinivasan for her continued support, and her daughter Srijita for agreeing to be part of this event. Can both of you please come on the stage, please? Shobha Srinivasan has also been our daughter's guru in Carnatic vocal, and has supported her throughout for the past couple of years. And Swapna, as you all know, has been very, very diligent and has really helped us bring this, Safe Surrender. It is such a visual appeal to all of us. We've seen it once and we keep seeing it, and sometimes tears can't stop rolling when we see the drama. So hope you all also, relate to the awareness we are trying to create. And if you do find anybody who is looking to give up their child, maybe because out of compulsion, because they can't raise the child, please direct them to the nearest specialized adoption agency to surrender their children. Yeah, thank you, Shobha and Swapna, thank you so much. I would also like to thank my husband Raj for taking up the program management and sponsoring the audio and video setup for this event. I could not have done without him. I would like to thank our children Megha and Akash for continuously supporting WAIC and agreeing to perform this event. They've been part of lot of videos we have released last year on Safe Surrender, a petition we were running. So they've consistently helped us and are forefront of our volunteers. And we need these youngsters like Guru Swapna students, Megha, Akash, Srijita, to contribute to our work in various ways, so that for us to make a larger and wider impact, young population, the Gen X is very, very required. So thank you to all of these children for coming forward. Last but not the least, we would like to thank the viewers, without whose encouragement this would not have been possible. And also the audio video setup, who are here today. They also are patient, and hopefully this will turn out to be a beautiful event, and we would hopefully like to take this forward with them later as well. And I would like to thank Phoenix Arena for such a beautiful a ground and setup they have given us. So without further ado, let us begin the program. The program itinerary is as follows. So first you will see two dance performances by Guru Swapna and her students. Followed by violin instrumental by Srijita, accompanied by Akash on the mridangam. Then we'll see the dance drama on Safe Surrender, followed by musical vocal by Megha, accompanied by Srijita on the violin and Akash on the mridangam. So request all of you to stay tuned till the finale and encourage these youngsters. And please donate generously, and this is the event about. Every bit of support counts, and currently we are only able to accept donation in Indian rupees. So sit back, relax, and please enjoy. Thank you so much.
గురు బ్రహ్మ గురుర్విష్ణు గురుర్దేవో మహేశ్వరః గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. సభాకల్ప తరుర్భాతి సభాకల్ప తరుర్భాతి వేద శాఖోపశోభితః శాస్త్రపుష్ప సమాకీర్ణ విద్వద్భ్రమర సంయుతః బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవ నృత్య శ్రేష్ఠలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలగు బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవ నృత్య శ్రేష్ఠలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలగు బ్రహ్మాంజలి భక్త్యంజలి సిద్ధయోగీర్దశ కవికి భక్త్యంజలి సిద్ధయోగీర్దశ కవికి నృత్యాంజలి నాట్య కోవీరవరులకు నృత్యాంజలి నాట్య కోవీరవరులకు బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవనూప్య స్రష్టకు దివ్యాంజలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలకు బ్రహ్మాంజలి. శుభము శుభము సాహిత్య పరులకు చిత్తం శుభము శుభము సంగీత విదులకు శుభము శుభము నాట్యానుమోదులకు శుభము శుభము సర్వజనాళికి శుభము శుభము నాట్యానుమోదులకు శుభము శుభము సర్వజనాళికి బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవనూత్య శ్రేష్ఠలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలగు బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవనూత్య శ్రేష్ఠలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలగు బ్రహ్మాంజలి. దిం తట్ట జన్ తట్ట జన్ దిం తట్ట జన్ 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 తట్ట జన్
ಸಗರಿಗ ತ್ರಿಮಗರಿ ಸನಿದ ಮಪದನಿ ಧರಿ ಸನಿದ ತ್ರಿಸನಿದ ಪಗ ಮಪದನಿ ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾಯಿನಿ ಲೋಕ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಕನಕ ವಿಭೂಷಿಣಿ ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ ಕನಕ ಚೇಲ ಧರಿಣಿ ಕೀರವಾಣಿ ಕನಕ ವಿಭೂಷಿಣಿ ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ ಕನಕ ಚೇಲ ಧರಿಣಿ ಕೀರವಾಣಿ करधृत पाशगधाकुशे भैरवी धर्मशूल घटादिशङ्करने करधृत पाशगधाकुशे भैरवी धर्मशूल घटादिशङ्करने शरण दुवदने शैलवासिनी निरुपम सदने सारावती शरण दुवदने शैलवासिनी निरुपम सदने सारामती भावगुण भरिते भावगुण भरिते सुरपति विनूते भावगुण भरिते सनिद निद मम गरि सरिद त्रिगम गमद मदनि समगरिद त्रिसनिद दम गमद भावगुण भरिते सुरपति विनूते परम पावन चरिते श्रीललिते रामगान सुनाद विनोदिनी रामनाम महिमा प्रदर्शिनी सामगान सुनाद विनोदिनी रामनाम महिमा प्रदर्शिनी सिंहवाहिनी सिंहवाहिनी सिंहेन्द्र माध्यमे सिंहपीठेश जय चामपोषिणी श्रीकमलेश परामुजे सेवी कृपया परिपालिनी रंजनी श्रीकमलेश परामुजे सेवी मां कृपया परिपालिनी रंजनी ओम नमो महिषासुरमर्दिनी
First, I will play Amma Anandadaini. It's a Varnam and it's in the Ragam Gambhira Natai. Lastly, I will play Theerada Vilayattu Pillai. This is also a Ragamalika.
തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന ഉദന ധീം തനന ധീം തന ധീരന ഉദന ധീം തനന ധീം തന ധീരന ധീം തനോദ നോദ ധീരന ധീം തനോദ നോദ ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന ഉദന ധീം തന ധീം തന ധീരന ഉദന ധീം തന ധീം തന ധീരന ധീം തനോദ നോദ ധീരന ധീം തനോദ നോദ ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന ധീരന തോം തനന ധീരന
Sa
Part 1 of the performance just concluded, you saw how a mother abandons her baby due to familial pressure. We have depicted only one scenario of why a baby could be abandoned. There could be many, like unwanted pregnancy, cannot raise the child, be it a girl or a boy, do not want girl children, giving up a child for money, so on and so forth. There are different outcomes when a child is unsafely abandoned. 1. The child is taken away by people with bad intentions, like putting the child to beg on the street, sell them to someone, child labor, so on and so forth, just like how we saw depicted in the dance. The child could be hurt by animals, could catch chronic infections before being rescued, and might go into special needs category and might not get adopted. Worse, if the child is not rescued, the child could die of starvation, cold, heat, etc. Now let's see what happens when a different choice is made for this child.
चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे मोरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे तेरे पंखों में सारे सितारे जड़ूं तेरी चूनर धनक सतरंगी बुनूं तेरे काजल में मैं काली रैना भरूं तेरी मेहंदी में मैं कच्ची धूप मलूं तेरे चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे ओरी चिड़ैया।
In the second part, we saw a different outcome for the child when the child is not abandoned in an unsafe manner. A child can be safely and legally surrendered at a specialized adoption agency or in front of a child welfare committee. To know the nearest specialized adoption agency or child welfare committee office, parents or guardians can call 1098, the Childline number, for assistance, or go to the kara.nic.in website. Abandonment of a child is a crime. Safe surrender is legal. Spread awareness about safe surrender and also guide a parent or a guardian when the need arises. Thank you.
Namaskaram everyone, good evening again. I hope you've been enjoying the program so far. I'm Megha, this is Srijita and this is my brother Akash, and three of us together are going to be performing a mix of Carnatic classical songs along with a few Hindustani bhajans. We're going to end the program with the final segment presenting 3 Hindi movie songs which are very relevant to the cause. So I hope you really enjoy it and encourage us. Thank you. I will be beginning with an ode to Devi or the mother.
मातंग मदन गुह माते
शङ्करि चामुण्डेश्वरि चन्द्रकलाधरि ताये गौरी शातोदरि शङ्करि चामुण्डेश्वरि चन्द्रकलाधरि ताये गौरी सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मार्गशामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मार्गशामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मार्गमामा पनिदद पप मगम पमामा निदमा अनिद पदशामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मार्ग निद निद पद पम पाप निद पम गपम निदम सनिद पम निद शामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मार्ग सा सा सनि దని सनि र पम गम पम मम सम गम पद गम पम समगम पदनि దని निदनि पदनि म पदनि गम पदनि समगम पदनि समगनि सनि द पदशामे सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे शशिमण्डल मार्ग मग मदनि समनि गम దని म निद निगरि सकल भुवन सार्वभौमे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे 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 श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे 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 श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे संगतमहं कुञ्जरमुखं शङ्करसुतं तमिलं श्रीविघ्नराजं संगतमहं कुञ्जरमुखं मन्त्रगाधरसुतं तमिलं श्रीविघ्नराजं 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 सेवित सुरेन्द्र महनीय गुणशीलम् सेवित सुरेन्द्र महनीय गुणशीलं जप तप समाधि सुखवरदानुकूलं सेवित सुरेन्द्र महनीय गुणशीलं जप तप समाधि सुखवरदानुकूलं भावित सुरमुनिगण भक्त परिपाल भयङ्कर विशङ्गमातङ्ग कुलकालं श्रीविघ्नराजं श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे 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 श्रीविघ्नराजं कनककेयूरारावळी कलित गम्भीर गौरगिरिशोभम् कनककेयूरारावळी कलित गम्भीर गौरगिरिशोभं सुशोभं कनककेयूरारावळी कलित गम्भीर गौरगिरिशोभं सुशोभं कनककेयूरारावळी कलित गम्भीर गौरगिरिशोभं सुशोभं कामारि भयभरितमद कलिकलुष कण्ठितमकण्ठ प्रतापम् कामारि भयभरितमद कलिकलुष कण्ठितमकण्ठ प्रतापम् कनक सुख नारद पतञ्जलि पराज मदङ्ग मुनि सङ्ग संलापम् कनक सुख नारद पतञ्जलि पराज मदङ्ग मुनि सङ्ग संलापम् सत्यपरलक्षण प्रमुख मुक्तिकर तत्त्वमसि नित्य निगमादि स्वरूपं श्रीविघ्नराजं श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे 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 श्रीविघ्नराजं 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 చేరి యశోదకు శిశువితండు చేరి యశోదకు శిశువితండు దారుని బ్రహ్మకు తండ్రియు నీతడు చేరి యశోదకు శిశువితండు దారుని బ్రహ్మకు తండ్రియు లక్ష్మీడు సొలసి చూచినను సూర్య చంద్రులను లలిత జల్లెడు లక్షణుడు నిలిచిన నిలువున నిఖిల దేవగల నిలిచిన నిలువున నిఖిల దేవగల కలిగే చూదురల గనిపోయితడు చేరియ శోధకు శిశువితడు ముంగిట పొలసిన మోహన మర్మల పొంగించే ఘన పురుషుడు ముంగిట పొలసిన మోహన మర్మల పొంగించే ఘన పురుషుడు సంగతి మావంటి సంగతి మావంటి శరణాగతులకు సంగతి మావంటి శరణాగతులకు అంగము శ్రీ వెంకటాది పుడిదడు అంగము శ్రీ వెంకటాది పుడిదడు చేరియ శోధకు శోభితడు ధారుని బ్రహ్మకు దండ్రియుడితడు చేరియ శోధకు శోభితడు பாயுதே கண்ணா பாயுதே கண்ணா என்பதை பாயுதே உன்னானந்த மோகன வேணுகானமல்லை பாயுதே கண்ணா உன்னானந்த மோகன வேணுகானமல்லை பாயுதே கண்ணா என் மனம் அதை பாயுதே உன்னானந்த மோகன வேணுகானமல்லை பாயுதே கண்ணா நிலை பெயராது சிலை போலவே நின்ற நிலை பெயராது சிலை போலவே நின்ற நிலை பெயராது சிலை போலவே நின்று நேரமாவதறியாமலை மிக வினோதமான முரளீதரான நேரமாவதறியாமலை மிக வினோதமான முரளீதரன் மன்மதை பாயுதே கண்ணா தெளிந்த நிலவு பட்ட பகல் போல் தெரியுதே விக்கை நோக்கி என் குருவம் நெறியுதே தெளிந்த நிலவு பட்ட பகல் போல் தெரியுதே விக்கை நோக்கி என் குருவம் நெறி
ಮುರುಗಿನ ಅರೆಂಗವೋ ಇದರ ಮಾದರುಡನಿ ಗಣಿಕವೋ ಇದು ದಗುಮೋ ಇದು ಮುರೆಯೋ ಇದು ಧರ್ಮಂ ತಾನೋ இது தகுமோ இது முறையோ இது ಧರ್ಮம் தானோ குழலூரிடும் பொழுது ஆடிடும் குழைகள் போலவே மனது வேதனை பாயுதே கண்ணா என் மனம் ஆனந்தமோ வேணுகானம் பாயுதே கண்ணா गयो गरुड़ तरी सीधा रे द्वारका में द्वारका में द्वारका में शबद गयो गरुड़ तरी सीधा रे ग्राह को मार के गजराज को उबारे ग्राह को मार के गजराज को उबारे सूर्य कहे श्याम सुनो सूर्य कहे श्याम सुनो शरण है तिहारे अब के पार पार करो अब के पार पार करो नंद के दुलारे नंद के दुलारे नंद के दुलारे हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे गोविंद राखो शरण अब तो जीवन हारे हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे
Next, I'll be singing a tarana, which is a Hindustani style of a tillana. नादे दे तानी तदानी दोम तनन तो नादे दे तानी तदानी दोम तनन तो तनन तन दिर नदिर तनन तन दिर नदिर नदिर तदारे दाद्रे दानी नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम दे दे तानी नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम तनन तुम तनन तन दिर नदिर तदारे दाद्रे दानी नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम दे तानी नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम तनन तुम नादे दे तदानी तनन तदारे दाद्रे दानी तकदिडांग दिडा नगदिर किट तक तकदिडांग तकदा तकदिडांग तकदा तकदिडांग तकदा तदारे दानी दे तानी तदानी दो तनन दो तनन तन दिर नदिर तदीमा तदारे दाद्रे दानी नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम दे तानी नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम नादे दे तानी तदानी तुम Next, I'll be singing a Bandish, which is a Hindustani composition set to Rag Khamaj, followed by we'll be ending with Vaishnava Janato, the bhajan. श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन श्याम सुंदर
गम पद नि द पद नि सा नि द प पद प म पद प म प म ग रे म ग रे नि सा। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कही गजे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कही गजे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान न आने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए सकल लोकमा सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के रे। सकल लोकमा सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के रे। वाच काच मन निश्चल रागे धन धन जननी तेनी रे। वाच काज मन निश्चल रागे धन धन जननी तेनी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए समदृष्टि ने कृष्णा त्यागी पर सृजने माधुर्य। समदृष्टि ने कृष्णा त्यागी पर सृजने माधुर्य। जिह्वात की असत्य न बोले पर धन न बजाने मातरे। जिह्वात की असत्य न बोले पर धन न बजाने हाथ रे। वैष्णव जन को तेरे कहिए पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान न आने रे। वैष्णव जन को तेरे कहिए
Final segment of our program. We'll be concluding with 3 Hindi movie songs which are very relevant to this cause. While one speaks about the joy of bringing a child home, the other one speaks about how every child is a star and every child is special and they all are equally deserving of a family. And we end the concert with a symbol of hope, a song which depicts the symbol of hope. Thank you so much for staying throughout. And thank you very much for encouraging us as well. Please continue to support WSC and donate generously. Thank you. मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी
मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। मैंने पूछा उसे कि कौन है वो, हंस के बोली कि मैं हूँ तेरा प्यार, मैं तेरे दिल में थी हमेशा से, घर में आई हूँ आज पहली बार, उसके आने से मेरे आंगन में खिल उठे फूल गुनगुनाए बहार, देख कर उसको जी नहीं भरता, चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार, चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। देखो इन्हें ये ओस के बूंदे, पत्तों की रोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीन पर, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीन पर, जैसे आंखों की डिबिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई, ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की महर है, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीन पर, खो न जाए, खो न जाए, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीन पर। आशाएं 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 आशाएं, कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास, आशाएं आशाएं आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरिया को आर पार, आशाएं आशाएं आशाएं, तूफानों को मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं, 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 आशाएं,